What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be announcing the TACOMA bed storage locks winner, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a lot of updates, and of course we're going to be doing more giveaways. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know some of the giveaways that I'm going to be running. So make sure to stay tuned to this video and watch the whole thing. It's not going to be very long, so let's go ahead and get into it and I'll show you guys. So before we do announce the winner for the TACOMA bed storage locks, I did want to go ahead and give you guys some updates. So the first one, I did want to let you guys know on December 21st, we are going to be doing an event. So if you guys are local to the Inland Empire, even if you guys aren't, make sure to come out. It's going to be a good time and it's for a great cause. It's actually going to be at Splash Kingdom. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but it's in Redlands, California. So I hope you guys can make it. It's going to be awesome. So if you guys can come out, it's going to be fun. We're going to have entertainment, music, food, and some other things. Hopefully I get to meet you guys. Another thing that I did want to update you guys on, I know I haven't been posting like I used to. I will get back to it soon. It's just been kind of crazy lately. I also want to give a big thanks to Chris at Impact TRD. If you guys aren't following him on Instagram, go ahead and check him out. He did hook me up with some tires, so I want to give a big thanks to you, man. Thank you. Another thing, we are going to be doing a lot more giveaways, and I've been doing that lately because one, I know I haven't been posting as much, and two, I just want to go ahead and show you guys how much I appreciate you. So please hear me out on this. I think you guys are going to like it. But like I said, a big thanks to Chris and a big thanks to all those companies that always supply the product for you guys. Some upcoming giveaway prizes that I'm going to be giving away. If you guys do remember, my whole truck is sound deadened from Noiko Solutions, which I appreciate them so much for that. So I'm going to be giving away some of their product for 2 lucky winners. So make sure to stay tuned. This is honestly a great prize to win. I'll give you guys more details when that video is out. I'm going to be doing a whole review. Another awesome giveaway that we're going to be having, and that one should be soon. To be trying to do it before Christmas comes, so it can be an early Christmas gift possibly for someone. Forgive me if it doesn't happen early, but I am going to be trying to give away maybe a BESTOP. So if you guys do like the BESTOP that I have on my truck, it's the soft shell camper, I'm going to be doing my best to give one away to you guys. So stay tuned for that video. Just know it's coming in the future, and I know you guys will appreciate that as much as I appreciate you guys. We do have other little giveaways coming. So that being said, that's enough for right now. Let's go ahead and now announce the winner. Let's do it. Thank you to everyone that did enter. I'm going to go ahead and now pick the winner. It was on this video here. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. Thanks to everyone that did enter. That was my previous video. So I just copied the link. We're going to go ahead and use commentpicker.com to go ahead and select a winner. This is the one that I usually use because it makes everything fair. It makes it a lot easier for everybody. So let's go ahead and pick the winner. Make sure to cross your fingers. And like I said, there's going to be a lot more giveaways in the future and a lot more things coming. So stay tuned. All right, so Jose Garcia, you did enter correctly. You said your favorite video was why I didn't get a 4x4 or Tundra. Go ahead and email me. It will be in the description box below, or I'll go ahead and pin a comment. But you are the winner, so congrats, man. I hope you enjoy the bed locks, and we'll go ahead and send them out as soon as we can. For everybody else, if you want to go ahead and purchase yours, it's also in the description box below. Let's do it. Most of you guys know I am running Toyo tires, but I do got to give a big thanks to Chris for these tires. They are Falcon Wild Peaks. So basically, me throwing these on, I'm going to get to try, you know, before I had the Toyos, and I'm going to go ahead and try out Falcons. Maybe I'll do a video on what I liked better. Big thanks to him.